The EU battery passport starts February 2027. China's started April 1st, 2026. That is nearly a year earlier. Why? And what does that mean for you? China's new battery recycling regulation is now live. The old rules are gone. Every EV battery now needs a digital passport. One battery, one code. Here is what you need to know.
I'm Rossana Bellina, international lawyer in 4 jurisdiction. This is China from the inside, where global strategy meets local reality.
This law applies to anyone in the EV battery chain: manufacturer, automakers, importers, repair shop, swap stations, recyclers. Before this, only about 25% of retired batteries went to former recyclers. The rest, unregulated. China has over 40 million electric vehicles on the road. The government couldn't wait. 3 things you need to know. First, every battery gets a unique digital code. It tracks from factory to vehicle to recycling. Nothing falls through the cracks. Second, the deadlines are binding. Importers have 20 days to upload battery data. Waste transfers must be reported within 15 days. Swap stations file monthly reports. These deadlines are already hitting. Third, extended producer liability. The battery maker and the automaker are responsible. If a battery ends up in an illegal dismantler, they pay the price. Penalties include fine, social credit blacklisting, and market bans. Take an example. A multinational automaker in China kept using the old traceability rules. They missed that the old rules were gone. After April 1st, regulators inspected their Shanghai facility. Batteries from late 2025 were not in the new system. The result? A fine, a negative credit record, and the China general manager was personally summoned for a regulatory interview. So why China launched nearly a year before Europe? Simple. The environmental risk was too high to wait. With battery waste exploding, China decided to move first. On environmental regulation, China is no longer following, it's leading. That means any battery made here for a car sold in Europe must satisfy both systems. China is already live. Europe's start next year. If you're in both markets, you're already behind. Your battery has a new boss. It is called the Chinese government, and it is not waiting for Europe. If your company's manuals still reference the old rules, those rules are dead. Update now. The system is live, the deadlines are real, and the clock is already running.